So hi everyone, welcome to VIEH Daily Hacking News Series. So basically we discuss what are the updates that we have in the cyber world. So before proceeding further, let's have a quiz, right? So what is the term which is used to release the fix and used to repair a specific security vulnerability in software? Backup, patch, phishing, Trojan. Just let me know in the comment box which one is correct and I'll give you a heart if your answer is correct, right? So let's start and I hope you have subscribed. Basically, let's start with a very good news, which is from Google. So Google basically announced a private AI compute. You can see a very heavy term, which you can see right now. So this is a new secure cloud for running an AI model. So basically, what does it do? It uses a Titanium Security Enclave, which is on-device like privacy. Means data is processed securely without leaving your environment, whatever you use, right? So this is what we have. So designed for the sensitive AI workload, which is this is going to be a very perfect for the healthcare, finances, and enterprises AI, right? So let's see, very good, like something which is coming from privacy. And Google is talking about privacy. We can't expect all those things. But anyways, let's move to the next news, which is related to ChatGPT. So guys, there is a server-side request forgery vulnerability which was found in the AI-powered system. AI-powered means ChatGPT system. So hackers basically what they can do, they can force the AI backend server to fetch data from the internal services like AWS metadata or private APIs, right? So developers should restrict outbound traffic. Outbound traffic means the traffic which is going outside from your server. So they should restrict the outbound traffic request and sanitize the user input to prevent the attacks, right? You can see here exactly what it does. Full request of SSRF request done by the attacker. Then it goes to the internal server by using vulnerable web server where we have web server request in the internal services. Then it give you a request in the form of server received response from the internal service, and web server send attackers response from the internal service. So this is how exactly it works. This is called attack flow, right? So if you have any comment, just let me know in the comment box. And this is basically the application which is used creating GPTs, custom applications, right? Now next news is coming from China. China. So there is a Chinese hacker. They have been sentenced for running a large cyber fraud operations using the US companies, and they were targeting the US company. This you can see 5 billion from 1,28,000 victims who are laundering, right? So basically, what he does, he stole confidential business data and financial information, which is selling it into the dark net forums, right? So authorities they had a conversation with a news briefing. So they said that the state linked data theft operations was from China. That's what we have, like in cybersecurity. Much things doesn't get revealed. Now next news is coming from SecureVibes related to cloud, not cloud. Okay, so there is a cybersecurity startup which is called SecureVibes. So they have launched a vulnerability scanner that uses cloud AI agents, right? And it supports 11 programming languages, Python, Java, and Rust, which includes, right? So guys, it helps developers to find logical flow, insecure codes, and misconfiguration faster than traditional scanners. By the way, there is a product of VIH CVMS which is right now coming. That will be going to one of the best in the market. Yes, that's what we have. Like this is going to find vulnerability. But in case there is a SOC, right? Every company is having SOC, and they are hiring for a lot of positions in SOC, right? So I guess you should learn SOC because you might get a lot of jobs. You can check out this URL vihgroup.com/SOC if you want to learn all those things to get a very quick job. Anyway, let's proceed with the next, which is related to Google. So Google has filed a lawsuit against the Chinese-based gang, which is called Smishing Triad, right? You can see, so they have built a salt lighthouse which is a phishing kit, and that actually what it does, it sends fake SMS messages to steal password and OTPs, right? And attacker be targeting the banks, courier services, payment apps, which is like almost the worldwide. Next news is coming from Australia. The Australia spy chef warned that there is a Chinese APT, bag APT, like world tycoon, as trying to infiltrate power grid, telecom, and ports of Australia, right? So these hackers are often being hidden for the month, collecting data and preparing for the sabotage. So IT team infrastructure secure sectors are urging to strengthen network monitoring system, whatever you have, associates and all those things, right? So make sure so that you will be secure. Now, next news and last news is from Amazon. So, guys, Amazon basically disclosed attacker attackers were hackers leveraging bugs in Cisco system gears to gain access to the Amazon system. It was covered on the hackers news. You can see a entire briefing. So, what is the attack chan? Basically, they exploit Cisco device firmware, move to the lateral in the network, and exfiltrate the data. So what you can do as a developer, as a network administration, you can patch your network equipment firmware and monitor for unusual internet access pattern. So I guess that's all. That's what we have. Let's see you in the SOC batch, right? This is going to help you a lot. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Yeah.